Hello from Slovenia again. I'm up to one experiment again today. I will do a reverse flower dip, and my friend and moderator on my lives, Doris from Doris AF Designs, I will put her link to her channel into the description box. She experimenting with US products for reverse flower dips, and she had some really nice results. I will not experiment with US products because I don't have them, but on her Sunday live she did pour with fluorescence and pearl black. Pearl black mixed the same way as pearl white, so with Vallejo pearl medium. And I said, okay, I will give this a try too. I did get kind of graffiti kind of color, not black pearl, but obviously you can't get that black pearl, because if you mix pearl medium, that it's kind of white, and pouring mediums are kind of white. Probably you can't get black color, so that's why I added white base, because I think that this graffiti color, you see, this is Amsterdam oxide black mixed with pearl, Vallejo pearl medium and my pouring medium. It is black, and it will dry more black probably, but still. And this is just titanium white mixed with my pouring medium, and I will use just those two colors and see what will happen. So let's start with this, I will say pearl black and titanium white, and pearl black again. And I will be more careful with the pearl, because I'm afraid that it will totally take over, I don't know. And white and pearl again, and white again. I will do just the same. So I like these monochromatic pours that are just, you know, with black and white, so that's why I said, okay, I will try just with those two colors and see what will happen. Okay. And I don't want to add too much layers, because I'm afraid I do see some effects, but we will see what will happen. I will take my skewer and draw some lines, but I have to grab a for the outside petals. Because if you add too much layers, I think, this is my opinion, that a lot of the lacing can, you know, disappear because it's just too much paint one on top of each other. This is just my opinion. And you can see that my white already disappearing, so in this graffiti color, I don't know, I will try to add a little more white on this time. As I always say, if you don't try, you don't know. So, and I really like to experiment, I have to say so. And maybe these experiments help you with something, and you don't need to experiment as much, maybe, to get something that you want. So I will stop right here. Because I don't necessarily want this flower, you know, totally on the whole canvas, but if I will think that it's not big enough, I can spin it. So let's drag this. I already tell you that you can drag this because this is not something that I saw at the Doris channel. I just I did that kind of drags a year ago probably, but lately I was just going for those to the outside, but it's just your preference what you want to do. But if you watched some of my earlier videos, you will know that I did that quite a lot on my earlier videos. So you can draw your lines as you want. It's not right or wrong. You just can try and you will see how it will look. If you like that look, if you like the other look more, or just up to you. I will just spray my napkin. And oh, if you didn't see, check our collaboration video with Nina Villegas. She did some flower dips too, reverse flower dips, and I just remembered because she said that she liked the dry napkin more. That's why I always say that you have to find the way that works for you best. I like the wet one because it's softer, and I think that I have more control when I am lifting it. But this doesn't mean that this is the only way, that it's the right way and that you can do it differently. It's just what works for me best. So that's why it's hard, you know, with pouring, because some people think that you have to follow exact things. No, you don't have to. You have to find the way that works for you best, that you are more comfortable with. But for that you have to fail sometimes, because if you don't fail, you don't know what works, probably. I think so. So let's grab those corners and see. I'm just afraid that this will be totally a graffiti football ball or something. I don't know. because my white totally disappeared between the layers when I layered them. Or it will be even just a gray. Something. I see some reaction going on, so I will pour some white around because I drag quite a bit of it off. Don't know how, why I drag it so much. Sometimes it's just, maybe I have my base a little thicker than I normally have because I was a little afraid what will happen with this pearl black, that it will not just, and you can see that starts growing a little bit, so yay. I think that it will not be just a grayish football ball, that it will be a flower after all. I will just torch it real quick and give it a baby spin to just to level this out a little bit. And of course torch will bring more reaction out of this. Wow, I have to say that I like it. I really do. I don't know if you see that on camera, but one baby spin and maybe one more and I'm done, because I don't want to have it, I want to have some negative space, and this will level out while drying. So I have to say that I really like this. It's simple but beautiful, because I really like that black and white pours. As I already said, I will just touch this middle a little bit, and you see here in the middle, I will show you on a close-up, where I put more white. I think that I get more white, but this lacing on the black or graffiti or whatever is just gorgeous, and I see some man parts that I have to get rid of. You can do that with your finger or with your skewer. Just don't like, I said to me, now one is okay for me, because you know flowers have man parts. They're man parts, but two are too much. So here you have it. I think that it's quite striking. What do you think? And I think that this will dry a little more black than it's now, because you know, because of pouring medium is white too, so I really think that it will be a little more black. I think so. We will see. And I have to say that I love this middle because it looks really, really 3D. See here, I had more white and I kept more white than on the outside petals. So but kind of like this blending too. And maybe it will grow a little more, but not a lot more. So I will say that this was a success. So tell me what you think about. And tell me if you want me to try with some other, I don't know, colors than black mixed with pearl, to see what will happen. Definitely very interesting. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!